Hey! All right. Skin tight, lipstick shining underneath the lights. She ain't looking for a steady man, just whichever cowboy makes the final stand. She knows every rider by his number and name. By the end of the night, they all know her's the same. Boots on the rails while she waves them in like a small town queen with a wild side grin. She's a buckle bunny, everybody knows, chasing gold buckles and rodeo shows. City girl playing cowgirl for the night, looking for a winner underneath them marina lights. She'll fall in love by closing time, then leave his name behind. When the next rodeo rolls around, she'll do it one more time. She owns a place, every cowboy there recognizes her face. Drink in her hand and a smile that shines, working every angle by closing time. If the champ don't bite, she'll move right on to the next young rider before too long. A slow dance here, a midnight kiss there. Tomorrow morning she won't even care. She's a buckle bunny, everybody knows, chasing gold buckles and rodeo shows. City girl playing cowgirl for the night, looking for a winner underneath them marina lights. She'll fall in love by closing time, then leave his name behind. When the next rodeo rolls around, she'll do it one more time. Was leaning way too far on the fence, flirting with a bronc rider, trying to steal his glance. Gate burst open and that bronc cut loose. Next thing flying was her and one cowboy boot. Ho ho, crowd gasped when she hit the ground. Even old hands stopped their laughing round. Doctor said collarbone busted clean in two. She still chased cowboys 6 weeks later too. Yeah, cowboys chase glory, girls chase fame. Half the rodeo's just a wild little game. Some hearts get broken, some nights get rough, but everybody keeps coming back for more stuff. She's a buckle bunny, everybody smiles. Seen her at the rodeos, country miles and miles. Friday night kissing one cowboy goodbye. Saturday she's chasing another ride. She loves the music, the lights and noise, and somewhere in the middle, maybe even loves the boys. When the dust settles down and the beer runs dry, she'll still be out there under Saturday night lights, chasing cowboys one buckle at a time.